Today, we have a super treat to tour a brand new, beautiful property built by Mark Beery, who is a custom home builder, super fine detail, high-end houses in Colorado Springs. He builds an outstanding product, and this house is in Settlers Ranch, which is on the north side of Colorado Springs, just north of Black Forest. It's on 2.5 acres, so beautiful property, high dry and light with good sloping on the sides, so it feels like it's on kind of a crest overlooking the Front Range as far as the Rocky Mountains. The views are astonishing. The house is beautiful. It has incredible features. So it's 4-bedroom, 5-bath, beautiful for entertaining. And I'll tell you a little bit more about why that is. It's 4,610 square feet. And the house opens up wide because it has multiple sets of multi-slide doors that open the kitchen, the dining room, the living room onto incredible views of the travertine patio. And the travertine continues from outside and throughout the house as well. Alder doors, fine finish work, beautiful kitchen that's quite unique that I'll show you as well. Just the garage has room for 6 cars and is pushing 1,700 square feet in addition to the 4,600 square feet of the house itself. So beautiful, incredible to open things wide open, lots of fine attention to detail in a beautiful location, and I will check it out with you right now.